So I went down to O'Reilly's and I got these. I have an 87 S12, but I had to look up brakes for an 86. I don't know if maybe they just were carrying over parts, but that's what I had to do. This is what your rotor looks like if you're a 4-cylinder XE. Here's the part number, MKD 274. Just a quick little pad set. Like I said, you know, just something quick before I swap over the S13 stuff. Here's a new pad, nice and thick. Here's the old pad, super thin. Always best to match up your parts. The little ears on the side match, little ears, everything on the top. Looks good. Time to reinstall. Check back in a few. When it comes time to retract your piston, I like to use a C caliper. Some yahoos will use a channel locks or pump pliers, whatever you want to call them for the technical term. Or you could use the specific tool that you sell at the auto parts store. Really, to each his own. I mean, just make sure you do it the correct way. Is there really a correct way? I mean, yes, but no. But to each his own. Make sure the piston gets compressed back in so your new pads are nice and flush. You know, it's kind of just straightforward, just like every other car. Some of you are curious, torque spec? Nah, fuck that. Just make sure it's fucking tight like a man. If it's tight like a man, you need your daddy to come do it? Sorry, it's not the car for you. Nice and fucking tight, baby. I don't want those shits coming off in the middle of a canyon run. Fuck yeah. Okay, dope. Extra protection, just make sure we get a little bit of a hammer, just pop, 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 just a little bit of a quarter turn. That's all we need. We need nothing crazy. Don't even strip it, all right?